Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check RAM speed on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is completely powered on and fully loaded. You'll want to wait until everything has finished booting up before moving forward with the steps, as this ensures all system information is properly displayed. Once your PC is ready, you'll start by navigating to your Start menu. This is the Windows icon you'll find located within your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Now, instead of just clicking on it, right-click on the Start menu. This action will bring up a context menu with several useful options. From this list of options, look for and click on Task Manager. This is one of the most powerful built-in tools Windows offers for monitoring your system's performance and resource usage. After clicking, a Task Manager window will appear on your screen, presenting you with all the apps currently running in your background. This window gives you a complete overview of what's happening on your computer at any given moment. Now, within this window, you'll need to click on the Performance tab. This tab is specifically designed to show you real-time data about your computer's hardware components and how they're performing. Next, look at the left side menu of the Performance tab, and you'll see several categories representing different details of your computer. These include CPU, GPU, disk drives, and importantly for us today, memory. Go ahead and click on Memory. This is where all your RAM specifications are housed, giving you detailed information about your computer's memory system. Now, to check the actual speed of your RAM, look under the Memory tab on the right part of the window just below the graph. Here you'll see various information about your memory, including how much is being used and what type it is. Among these details, you'll find speed along with a numerical value measured in megahertz or megahertz. This number represents your RAM speed and tells you how quickly your memory can process data. The higher the number, the faster your RAM operates. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your RAM speed on Windows 11 using the built-in Task Manager tool. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.